my god, look at this. Holy shit, lads.
Right, here we go. I've been jacking it up and it's literally just... yeah. It is slammed. Oh shit. Obviously I knew this was a stupid idea. Good morning YouTube, we have something very fun today. I've wanted to do this for years and years, but I've never actually done it. Now, obviously, as you know, the last video we installed lowering springs, which made the car higher, and that's not what we want some lows. So today, we are getting Gordon the grinder out from Einhell my boys, who are actually giving away a very big bundle with guns, jet washes, grinders, loads of batteries, literally everything we're giving away for that £2.49 on track car giveaway. So if you want a chance to win a huge bundle from Einhell, link will be on the screen now. But we're cutting the springs. I've never done it, I've wanted to do it, and I think it'll be absolutely lols. I'm not sure how ghetto I'm gonna go. I might just do it on the car, or I might actually take the strut off and spring compressor it, I'm not sure. And I actually ordered, obviously, you know, we couldn't finish it off last time because the ball joint thread was ruined on that driver's side. So we ordered 2 new ball joints for the front because Crest told me to just get both because they're notorious for just breaking. So, and as we're putting them on, we're going to cut these damn springs, mate. So I'm going to get these front coils off again. It shouldn't be too difficult because this ball joint is just, well, it should just be floating. Get these springs out. I'm not sure how much I'm going to cut off. I've not even checked how low the front ones are, but I'm still going to send it. Just going to cut 1, 2. We're going to cut 2 coils off, so I'm going to go there. Now luckily you can actually cut these because these are like, I can't remember what they're called, but obviously they've got a flat bit. I'll show you when they're off the car. The ball joint is actually separate to the hub. It actually comes on that whole little lower bracket there, the ball joint, and this is the hub. And it's just held on by 2 17mm bolts, which weren't even tight, by the way. What do you mean? And then the whole hub just lifts off it. Just get the trap rod end off. Hopefully I don't fuck up the thread doing that, because that'll be another thing that I've got to change. But I hate like ball joints where you've got to like whack them out and stuff, because the amount of times I've fucked up threads on them, honestly. Like even like screwing them on really nice, like that's what I did with the bottom ball joint. Screwed it on really nice, hit it, and it still just fucked the thread up. So hopefully, but we're going to concentrate on grinding the springs because that's the funniest thing. That's what you guys are here for, let's be honest. I literally need to get this done today because it's Thursday and the drift day is on Sunday. So if it rains again, I swear down Britain. There we go. Right, let's go some springs, boys. Right, so we're not going to go full ghetto. Yes, we're going to use spring compressors. Yes, we're going to make it safe. Obviously, if you watch the spring go round and it is a bit of a flat edge, actually. Okay, so that has flattened off. So technically, you shouldn't be cutting the spring because see how that's going around that way and that one's going flat. But we're still going to send it, and hopefully that'll sit just in that groove, and we should have a good couple inches there. I am cutting the lowering springs because these will have a stiffer spring rate, and I didn't even get. They technically didn't cost me anything anyway. So I'd rather cut these because they're what. If I cut the standard ones, that'd be super soft. But these, if I cut these, it probably might give me like the standard sort of ride comfortability, softness, which I don't care as long as it's low. I really don't give a fuck. So we're gonna send it there and just hopefully it sits in that groove. But obviously when you're grinding, make sure you've got some super fashionable glasses, not to protect your eyes, just so you look fabulous while you're doing it. I'm a little bit worried about it not working, but if it doesn't, I'm just going to put the standard ones back on because I don't really care. Right guys, let's go. Woo! There we go. Wiggle the springs out. I'm just going to take the strut out and then just remove the coils. There we go. Oh, I hope this spring compressor light. Imagine if they're just fucking flapping around. I have a feeling that's what's going to happen, lads. Not going to lie, but I'm still going to send it. And then, oh god, oh, I think it might be alright, you know. I think it might be alright. I'm going to put the nut down as far as it'll go. Oh, look at that. We're just compressing that strut, boys. What do you mean? Right, I'm just going to take the spring compressors off. Oh my god, look at this. Holy shit, lads. Right, so here's my professional opinion. There's no preload on the spring. The preload is pretty much non-existent, but that's because it's been sitting high. So once we jack it down and we have quite a lot of tension on the strut, it actually sits in the strut really nice, if you see at the bottom there. And I think being the key word, think it's going to be fine. So we're going to cut the other one, and I'm still going to send it. There we go, 2 dangerously, I mean, perfectly cut cut springs. I used to try to see how low this goes because I can't fucking wait. We just need to change these things while we're here. It's gonna be a bit difficult because I'm gonna have to get the trap rod end off, and I think I'm gonna have to put the hub back on to get weight to get the trap rod end off. But it's fine, we'll figure it out. And then I cannot wait to see how low these sit. Man, this car's so annoying. You've literally got to pull off everything to get to anything. Like, just get to the trap rod, all the brake calipers got to come off. Not that big of a deal, but I mean, it's just a bit annoying. Ah, you bastard. Right, got this off. Bastard. It's literally raining. Fuck off! Right, there's a new one. Let's get these on quickly. Before it starts absolutely pissing it down, and get these springs on and see how low it is. I literally can't be arsed. I'm sat here in the fucking rain again. And there's a thread on this brake caliper now. So this brake caliper won't go on. And I've not got anything the right thread size or pitch as a die to die out. And I can't go through the back because it's too small of a hole. So literally I'm sat here now with a car again, not being able to put that together. I think I fixed it, thank God. I found a die over there which was near enough the correct thread, and that just got it in straight, and then I'm just threading it out with the bolt now. It's going through quite easy, but oh my God. So it's back together. Just about to get the strut in. It's dead easy. You don't even have to fucking move the hub. Once all that's bolted up, you can literally slide it in. It's that small. Oh my God, it's gonna be low. Okay, so we're pretty much done installing the springs. But here comes the dangerous part. At the minute, obviously the strut's just dangling, so it's got no preload on it at all. So that's just floating, and the hope when I jack the car down it actually goes in the right place. This side doesn't look too bad, but the other side I'm going to leave these loose just so it can sit down lower, and then it can jump up on it, and then I'll tighten them down. This side is all if I pull them off there, stick them like that, I think that'll be good. And then when I jack the car down, it's just going to push upon that, and it's going to compress the strut, and then once it's all compressed, I'm going to tighten these down and the top knot down a little bit further as well. Alright boys, are we ready? I'm a little bit worried, not going to lie.
It's not going to fall on you, is it?
Well, nah, probably not. I hope not anyway. Right, here we go. I've been jacking it up and it's literally just, yeah. Are we ready? This literally might be touching the floor.
Ooh.
Oh my God, that is perfect ride height. What do you mean? Look how sick it looks. Yeah, massively dangerous, but we don't care. Oh, that is sick. It is slammed. Oh, I hope I don't catch anything. Huh? What do you mean? Right lads, I've come to jack up the back, and I was just going to send it while it's on the car with the grinder, but they're smaller at the bottom, so I won't be able to cut it. I'm going to get the wheel off and see what they're like at the top, because I may be able to cut springs off the top instead of the bottom, because I definitely couldn't do that because it will just definitely fall out. So I just want to take this time to apologise to all the parents out there. A lot of young people watch my videos and take inspiration from me. I'm just going to make it, do not do this at home. Guys, but we're just going to fucking send it. Let's go. I'm not really worried about it. Right, so there we go, these coils are off. It actually doesn't hurt myself even fucking more, really. I've dropped a brick on my finger, really, and that really hurt. It actually doesn't look that bad. Like, that's what it looks like with them cut. That's going to sit absolutely perfectly fine. We may have to take one more coil off. I'm going to do the exact same to the other side, drop it, and see how low it is before we go any further, because we don't need it too bad, but I think we're going to get another coil off there. Right, boys, I've cut off what I wanted to cut off. This is what we look like on this side. This one was a pain for some reason. I had to make so many more cuts. The other one came out quite easy with like 2 cuts. I had to make like fucking 4 or 5 on this side, which is annoying. But same thing again, I'm gonna have to put the wheels on and just jack the car down slowly at a time, just make it sit. We're gonna try it like this. I think we may have to take one more coil off, but we'll see how it sits like this first. No, we need more lows than that. One more spring. No, we need another spring off. Just spent about 20 minutes trying to line up the springs, because they're sitting off. Once you jack it down, it drops on the wrong bit. So I've had to put one brick on one side, jack it down to the brick, sort that out, and then you guys are going to absolutely fucking shout at me for this one. But for this one, what I've tried doing is, so if you had 2 people it'd be alright, because I could just hold the spring while you slowly jack it down. I've got a little bit of cardboard there, that's just propping it up to the right a little bit, so it's sitting in nice and there. I'm going to jack it down so it does seat, and I'm going to try and pull that cardboard out. If I can't pull that cardboard out, that cardboard is staying there. But, long story short, we're ready to drop it, and we're ready to see how low it is. Don't even know if I'm going to be able to get my jack back out But I've got a brick on, so we should be alright. Let's drop it. Oh, that didn't sound good, whatever that was. Oh, she's tucking. She be tucking. Oh my god, oh no. Oh god, yeah, no, that's not seating at all nicely. Yeah, no, I need to jack it up, that's not sitting on the seat at all. Right, they're now both seated somewhat correctly. I'm gonna take it for a drive just for the lulz and see how it actually drives. My worry is that every time I want to change wheels, I'm gonna have to go through all that because the jacking up the seat comes out. The spring comes out of the seat position. Obviously I knew this was a stupid idea, but I still think we're gonna rock it, and I still think I'm gonna take on a drive now, and I'll make my decision then. But let's get off these bricks. I'll reverse off these bricks and see how low it actually just sits on its own. Right lads, so here's how she's sitting. Oh my god. I'm gonna take it for a drive. I'm gonna get the GoPro out, take it for a quick drive, see what it handles like, and see if it's something I actually want to run or not. Okay, what does it drive like? Well, my tracking is about 3,000 miles out because I've changed everything. Look how bad the track. Oh my god. I've had everything off, so the tracking is disgraceful. It's very bumpy. Doesn't actually seem that bad. Seems okay. Like, it doesn't like turning right. I think something's definitely up with the trap rod we've been using or something. Let's do a couple bumps here. Oh! Shit, that didn't sound good. What was that? Just have a look at that, see if one of the springs has popped out. Obviously they're not going to fully come off, but I just want to see if they've popped out of that seat. I actually can't even see because it's so fucking low. Okay, so that one's still seated. Oh shit. No lads, we're keeping it. Ooh, we're keeping it. I had a look. It's actually alright. Like it's a bit bumpy in that, but it doesn't feel bad. It skids nice. Just went round a private roundabout. Private, obviously I know the guy who owns it. Something really loose on the front end. I'm not entirely sure what, but it's like the tracking's way out. Turning left is fine. Turning right is awful. So I might quickly just take the front, have a look near the front wheels, just see if anything's a bit, you know, not tight, because it feels a bit. Oh, it's great, it's great. Right, my sister's just come with my mum. I'm gonna do a fat burnout here on driveway. Watch this, lads. I'm gonna actually give it a clean. I've been saying it, look how fucking low it is. I'm gonna give it a clean, just a quick one. I'm not really gonna be that, it's not gonna be a nice one, just a quick one with jet wash. Starting to rain again. There it is. Obviously I'm not gonna sit here drying it because well, I can't be fucking bothered. But look how different it looks. Actually it's starting to look quite nice, you know, isn't it? Don't even lie. Yeah, it is, lads, you know it is. I'm leaving that front one for now, softness, because I'm getting some new wheels on tomorrow, so we're gonna be putting them wheels on, so that'd be a good time just to, you know, kill two birds with one stone. So we're gonna end this video here. Hope you enjoyed this. Definitely don't do that at home, and don't use that as an option. I'm just doing it because I think it's funny. I've never done it before, and I've got other cars, and I'm not going far from home, and I'm not planning on driving it much. So yeah, it could be dangerous, and it might well be, but we're still gonna send it.